Hello designers, in this video I am going to teach you how to make this type of thumbnail in Photoshop. First, create a document of this size and hit create. First, drag and drop our subject in the canvas. Now, we are going to remove background. Here, I use pen tool to remove background. Select pen and set path mode. Then, make a path around it. In hairy areas, select outside it. We will cover it later. Now, right click and make selection. Then select this layer or layer panel and go to selection tool and choose select and mask. Now select this brush and paint on remaining yellow background to remove it. Then select this option and hit OK. Now copy this layer and hide first layer. Then convert this into smart object and adjust it. Let's make a face smooth. Duplicate this layer and clip it. Then go to filter and add camera raw filter. In filter, reduce texture to -62 and add noise reduction and hit OK. Now add a mask and inverse it. Then using brush with white color and 80% opacity, brush on skin area slowly. Here you can see the difference. Now we add burn and dodge effect using curve layer. For that, first select a curve and clip it. Then pull this string downwards to add shadow. Now inverse mask using Ctrl I and paint in the hair and dark areas using brush tool. Like this. Here you can see the difference. Again add a curve and clip it. Then pull this string upward to add brightness. Okay. Now invert this mask and add highlight using brush tool. Here you can see the difference. Let's change this color to red. For that, first go to adjustment and add color layer. Then choose red color and clip it with subject. Now change this blending mode to darken and inverse it mask. Now paint with white brush in t-shirt areas to reveal red color. Like this. Let's make this red color bright. For that, go to adjustment and add a level. Then clip it. Now, if you add brightness, whole image will affect, but we only need it on t-shirt. So, hold Alt and click and drag this color marks on labels marks. Then hit S to copy. Now, add a brightness like this. Let's make a gradient background. Here, I will show you a smart way to create a gradient. First, create a solid color layer below the subject and choose your color and hit OK. Then, go to adjustment and create a exposure layer and clip below the color layer. Then, add exposure like this. Now, inverse this mask and take a brush with white color and low opacity. Then, paint like this. Again, make a empty layer and set blending mode to linear dodge and paint with white color to make a smooth glow like this. Now add a poster and change blending mode to overlay and decrease fill to 40 for all the poster like this. You can remove outline of a poster using brush tool. Let's put this crown on his head. Make a mask and remove extra areas of this crown using brush with black color. Now create a hue saturation layer and clip with crown. Then tick color right and change color to red and saturation to 100. Let's add a main text of this font and size. Then send this layer below the subject layer. Let's add another text. Now add a drop shadow to the main text and inner shadow to the other text. Make a rectangle shape and lower its opacity. Then remove side areas using brush tool to create this effect. At last, merge all layers. To merge all layers at once, click on top of all layers and hold Ctrl Shift Alt and E. Now convert this to smart object and add camera filter to enhance it. If you want more videos just like this, subscribe.